Hello friends, welcome to our channel Brain Shapers RJ. Today I am going to discuss about hypothyroidism. As you know, thyroid is an endocrinal gland situated at the throat. It secretes thyroid hormones T3 and T4. These hormones help the body in maintaining body energy and in maintaining our brain mood and intellectual activities. These hormones also help heart in beating in a very healthy way. During pregnancy and lactation in women, role of these hormones are also very important. But in hypothyroidism, thyroid starts to secrete low amount of hormones. Now, to maintain hormonal level, thyroid starts to increase its size. This is the reason the size of the thyroid starts to increase. Due to this, as shown in this picture, the throat starts to look swollen, so the throat looks bulgy. If this enlargement of thyroid continues for many years, it may become a goiter. That is the extreme enlargement of the thyroid. As you can see in this picture of the lady, it is a goiter. There are many bad effects of hypothyroidism on the body, and some of them are irreversible. Such bad effects are hair loss, poor memory, lack of concentration, poor hearing, hoarseness of voice, slow pulse rate, and later heart disorders. Coldness of hands and feet are also found, excessive bleeding during menses, and premature menopause is also a problem in women. But if a person suffering from hypothyroidism focuses upon proper diet and avoids certain types of foods with daily walk and exercise, he or she can avoid the bad effects of hypothyroidism. So, here I want to tell you about certain foods which are harmful in a hypothyroidism patient. These foods should be avoided to remain healthy. So, as you are looking at the slide, there are two pictures. One picture is peach and the other is broccoli. These two foods should be avoided by a hypothyroidism patient. Again, two vegetables, cabbage and cauliflower, these both vegetables should also be avoided. Pear and edamame beans should not be taken if you are suffering from hypothyroidism. All types of soya bean products, including soya milk, should be avoided and should not be taken. Spinach and strawberries should also be avoided. Sweet potatoes and tofu should also be avoided. It means it should not be taken. There are certain foods which are beneficial for hypothyroidism patient. Most important food that should be taken by a hypothyroidism patient is water caltrop. Water caltrop. It should be boiled and eaten, or its flour can be used to make a dish and should be eaten as much as possible. Lotus stem is also very beneficial in hypothyroidism, and foxnut, which is also known as gorgon nut. Foxnut, which is also known as gorgon nut, is also very beneficial in hypothyroidism. Corns and eggs are also very beneficial in hypothyroidism. Milk, meat and fish. Milk, meat and fish are also very beneficial in hypothyroidism. Neem is a natural solution to control hypothyroidism. Yes, neem is a natural solution. You have to eat 2 fresh leaves of neem early in the morning. By chewing it, it helps to control hypothyroidism. One more thing you can do to prevent your hypothyroidism from developing further, you have to take a leaf of water lettuce, and after making a paste of it by crushing, you have to rub it on your throat and neck. It stops the thyroid from enhancing its size. You have to apply it just before going to bed. Along with these measures, you have to follow your routine medication also. Remember to go for a thyroid test every 6 months. By following the measures I have told you in this video, you can control your hypothyroidism very well and can enjoy your life happily. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to keep on learning various health and educational topics.